I built this simple table using corrugated plastic. It turned out better than I expected. This project makes use of the Coro-Board Plasti-Plank, so you might want to check out the short video on that building method if you haven't already. This construct isn't nearly as rigid as it would be if it was wood secured by nails. Zip ties let things move around a bit. A third Plasti-Plank helps a lot to sturdy things up. The top of this table helps even more to keep things rigid. These parts help restrict movement in different directions and make the whole thing more solid. I found that it was cheaper to use 2 zip ties than to use 1 longer zip tie. The longer zip ties are also thicker, so if I ever find that there's an issue with strength, I'll have another reason to try them. I used clamps to hold everything in place so that I could secure all 3 Coro boards and the top with the same zip ties. I used 1 zip tie in the middle of each leg to help make sure they don't unfold. So how is the result? It wasn't designed to hold anything heavy, although it was designed to hold something fragile and expensive-ish, and it does that very well. I thought I'd need to reinforce it more by repeating this structure around the bottom of the legs. But I found that the legs felt strong in this form, and I decided not to overbuild it. The top appears to sag just a bit in the middle, under the weight of a fairly light monitor. If I added a couple more Plasti-Plank supports underneath, I think the sag would be imperceptible. This is a piece of furniture that I built in basically a day, and built for a specific purpose, to fill a specific need that I had. It fills that need beautifully, and that's great. It's light enough to lift with 1 finger. So far, the biggest benefit of corrugated plastic furniture is undoubtedly how easy it is to move. Thanks for watching, and thanks for doing all the things you do to help out us YouTubers. Let me know what you think about this project, and whether it piques your interest in the possibilities of the Coro-Board Plasti-Plank. Thanks again. See you in the next video.